Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online bookkeeping with FreshBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate online bookkeeping with FreshBooks, start by creating an account on the FreshBooks website. Visit freshbooks.com and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the FreshBooks dashboard. Begin by setting up your business profile in the settings menu. Input your business name, address, and contact details. Next, customize your invoices by selecting the Invoices section from the sidebar. Choose a template that suits your brand style. Add your logo and modify the color scheme to match your branding. Now, set up your services and products under the Items tab. Enter descriptions and prices for each item to streamline invoicing. Proceed to automate your invoicing by enabling recurring invoices. Select Recurring Invoices from the Invoices menu. Click on Create Recurring Invoice and fill in the necessary details. Specify the frequency, starting date, and the recipients for automated billing. Next, link your bank account to FreshBooks for easy expense tracking. Navigate to the banking section and choose Connect Bank Account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial accounts. To manage expenses, go to the Expenses section. Click Add Expense to enter your business expenses regularly. Attach receipts directly by uploading images or scanning them through the app. Utilize the time tracking feature to record billable hours. In the dashboard, select Time Tracking and click on Log Time. Enter the details of the project, hours worked, and your client's information. Use tags to categorize your expenses and time entries for easier reporting. Now, generate financial reports to keep track of your business health. Click on the Reports section in the sidebar. Select the desired report type, such as profit and loss or expense reports. Customize the date range and save the report for future reference. Finally, review your automation settings and make adjustments as needed to optimize your processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.